How to change tip in Uber Eats. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your tip in Uber Eats. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, you can change your Uber Eats tip before you place an order, when it's delivered, or after it arrives. You've got 3 chances to set and change your Uber Eats tip. The steps will differ depending on whether you ordered food from a restaurant or items from a grocery store though. Now, when you're placing your order, let's just get with the first scenario. Now, if you're ordering food, put together your order and proceed to the checkout page, and on the checkout page pick your address and then payment method and then tap on next. A page title show your support with the tip that will appear like this one. Pick how much you want to tip. You can choose a preset percentage or a custom amount, then tap on the option called place order. Now after that, if you're ordering groceries, then arrange your order and then head to checkout. On the delivery details page, scroll to the shopper tip and pick how much you want to give. Now this is if you're actually going ahead and then ordering some groceries. The second scenario is when your order is delivered, and again when your order is delivered, if you had ordered a food, once you receive your order, open the Uber Eats app again. You'll be asked to rate your order and then confirm your tip. If you want to change it, tap edit and then pick a new amount right in this case. Now tap save and continue to confirm your tip amount. And if you ordered groceries and your order has arrived, once your order arrives, open the Uber Eats app again. Now you'll see a summary of your order. Tap shopper tip to change how much you want to give, and you can simply go ahead and tap save to confirm your new tip. The final step is after your order has been delivered. You'll have an hour to change the tip if you ordered food, but you'll have 6 hours to change it if you ordered groceries. In either case, when you change the tip after your order arrives, you can't change it again, so it's locked in. So if you ordered again food, open the app and tap orders in the bottom toolbar. Select your order, then tap on the edit amount next to the tip over here, then pick your new tip and then save it. Again, if you ordered groceries, then open the app and then tap on grocery at the bottom of the screen. Then in the grocery page, tap the icon that looks like a person in the top right, and then just select the option called orders. Pick the order that you want to edit, then tap shopper tip. Now pick your new tip amount and it'll save immediately. Now these are the 3 instances on when you can change tip in Uber Eats, as well as I also described you when you're ordering food versus when you're bringing some grocery items. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.